Go for it.
Hello, and welcome to Bird's Eye View. Week 17, the only place where you can find Jono's Big Gay Orgy Fantasy Football League activity and weekly matchup analysis. Week 17, the garbage week. But a lot of big things need to happen here. In the championship, we've got Dick Fife versus My Team is Good, Pause Not. I did take McGee last week, but he's currently down by 32 points to Zines. Zines, suck dick. I really hope you blow this game. And then in the toilet bowl, these are the only two games I'm going to cover today because everything else is worthless. Chub Chasers versus Laguna Fire and Plague Relief. I am currently beating Luke by 21 points. I'm a little out of it this morning. 21 points, I believe, but knowing me, I'll probably blow it, so I'll see you again next year. Go State, go Broncos, and go Chub Chasers.
Go Buffs.
Fuck the Buffs.
Nothing like a 9 a.m. IPA.
Fuck the Raiders, yep. IPA, that's all I got. Happy New Year. See you next week.